yowza, wowza, rock on with your bad self.
Say it loud. Salve. Oh yeah. Salve.
do is outside. That's what it would say. Now listen, was it Louis? No. Was it rap? No. Not rap. How about Jelly? No. Not Jelly. Was it Jack? No. Not Jack. Or maybe John? Was it me? No, not me, Salve. And was it Ben? Oh, Ben. Ben, Salve. Say it down now. Ben, Salve. Well, all right. Ben, Salve. I want to take me. Ben, Salve. He wants to make me. Ben, Salve. I gotta be like Ben, Salve. I gotta take me. Ben, Salve. I gotta try it. Ben, Salve. My life be Ben, Salve. So if my life's hard, all I know, gotta start. I'm Ben, Salve. If I could be like him, hey.
Alice, hey Margaret, now! Everybody, need somebody, need somebody! Hey Margaret!
Everybody
Bellissimo, si chiama Casey John Hill. Glad to know you. Everybody.
You wandered in upon my life and haven't lost me yet. Took the turkey to the carving knife. What you give is what you get. A fresh and lovely summer's day we thought would never end. Took the bloodhound to the staggered bay. I thought you were
Right now.
and howl at many moons. Said the waiter as he wrote the bill, please return the spoons. As hand in hand we wander on through life's a wondrous maze. Said Robin Hood to Little John, there must be other
Say
ways.
no, Bill. Haters, costruito sulla base musicale di Jimmy Horner per lo Young Man. Now!
We rest and kiss and talk and stroll, a very precious fiddle. Said knife and fork to sausage roll, it's peaky in the middle. And thus it seems, come rain or shine, the pageant still unfolds. Said the pike upon the angler's line, I wish that I'd been told. Got to know you, and you're very welcome. Nice to meet you.
Change your position, hate the haters. Costruito sulla base musicale di Jimmy Horner. We got the spell now. Per Johnny Godone. Change of position, hey, hey. Andiamo con i Golden. Gino, Sasso, Gino, Sasso, Gino, Sasso. Outline Golden Memory di Gino Sasso, Dancer, Rigada, Dancer. concludere la numero 2, un po' di imagination. Body Joe. Musica. Deve arrivare dance on the groove and do the fun, do that.
In London for a single performance, drug trouble with state police in New Mexico. Requested by popular demand by Paris, France. Well, we're lucky tonight to have with us the Prime Minister of Super Heavy Funk. Before the interview, let's listen to
Molto
the chorus.
semplicemente, questo è il titolo. Now.
Dance on the groove and do the funk.
Tutta.
Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk.
Tutta. Love International. Il Geronimi. Avanti.
Now, Mr. Prime Minister of Heavy Funk, I love your voice on the other side of the record. Now, what do you think of your music? Oh, well. Mr. Prime Minister, is it true that everybody in France call you Le Crouch? Now, give me some more details. Of what? What happened in London?
Oh, Ethiopia.
Very. Japan. Arigato gozaimasu. Ethiopia. Now, what are the ethnic origins of your music exactly? Kind of tribal. Well, we're talking, you know, all this stuff. But I think it's time for the chorus, right, ladies?
Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk.
F-U-N-K-Y, look out.
Dance on the groove and do the funk. Dance on the groove and do the funk.
My baby, my